How to use the Ichimoku Kinko Hyo trading strategy. Today, we will show you how to use the Ichimoku Kinko Hyo strategy for quick trades starting at 5 seconds. This strategy is based on the Ichimoku Kinko Hyo indicator, developed by Japanese analyst Goichi Hosoda. Ichimoku helps traders quickly identify trend direction, support and resistance levels, and potential reversal points. The indicator consists of multiple lines that provide a comprehensive view of market conditions. Tenkan-sen, short-term line, shows the average price over the last 9 periods. Kijun-sen, medium-term line, shows the average price over the last 26 periods. Senkou Span B, cloud boundaries, represents the cloud, indicating potential support and resistance areas. How to set up the Ichimoku Kinko Hyo indicator for quick trades. Set the default settings: 9 for Tenkan-sen, 26 for Kijun-sen, and 52 for Senkou Span. Open a buy trade when the price crosses the cloud from below. This indicates an upward trend. Open a sell trade when the price crosses the cloud from above. This signals a downward trend. To increase the accuracy of signals, use Ichimoku together with other indicators like RSI or moving average. You can learn how the moving average and RSI indicators work in these videos. Try now. Follow the link in the description.